In today's video, we're reviewing a Roush F-150 off-road 2022 model. But before we get started, I got some more cool things to show you. Let's go. Raptor, baby. This one's still available. I don't know why. Even though it's got blue wheels, it just hits different, y'all. Come on, let's go. Call us one time. Another reserve edition headed to New York. F-450 Midnight, check that video out too. Headed to Michael Smith in Miami, Florida. To you, baby, on 26s. You know it's legit. Oh man, a Badlands, Area 51. Two-door, hardtop on 37s, y'all. Did the 3-inch foil parts coilover lift on this one. Fuel Militia wheels, 37 Yokohama Geolander mud terrain tires. This is a good tire. If we haven't seen us run this tire much, our fault, because that's a very fitting mud terrain tire option and has great results both on and off-road. Standing tall, y'all, with our Raptor rigid fog kit down below, rigid light up top as well. Just a gnarly, aggressive two-door. What you know about that? We're getting to our feature presentation. Let's keep walking. We have another 6-inch Everest edition. We have a Apex edition Wrangler, Apex edition Gladiator, Timberline Expedition, another 4-inch lifted Everest edition, a covert bubble truck. What you know about it? Here we go. An Atlas Blue Lariat with the black appearance package, new for 2022, and also new for 2022, some changes to our Roush Performance F-150 lineup. We love performance, so you know we like to mess with Mustangs and Challengers and Chargers. So lowered this bad boy, lifted that one 6 inches, so 6-inch lifted Everest and a 4-inch lifted Everest. We've got Everest, we got Timberline, we got Covert, Bronco Sport. But now, the Space White F-150 Roush Performance Lariat bad boy. Let's go over some of the new upgrades for 2022. You can tell right here on this front grille, it has been modified for barrel aerodynamics and high flow. Also, the addition of that accent lighting on the side, which now protrudes all the way across through. The lighting there flows into the headlight. Add the amber markers in the grille as well. Changed the Roush lettering. Went from all black to a silver brush look too. I just think it looks more premium and elegant. And there's your more high airflow area down there below. So not a huge change, but a change enough to where even if you didn't see them every day, you could appreciate how nicer the grille looks. Fender flares now that are painted black, you also can get them painted body color if you choose to. I like that they're not textured, that they're at least a glossy black finish. It flows well with the overall theme of the vehicle. And then that space white, y'all, it's not Oxtra white, it's not white platinum, it's not avalanche, it is space white, a beautiful toned down, chalky white version. There's a little bit of metallic flake in that as well, just for notation. Your Roush side badges have been changed for this year as well. It just looks more bold and prominent. This was the typical F-150 with a small Roush badge there. They added this whole portion here just to make it look more elegant and premium. Roush is doing a good job of trying to make their packages come with more value, and I can appreciate that. Roush iridium silver wheels that just look very off-road and premium. Ran these on the Bronco Raptor R as well, but 305/5520 is a 33, the General Grabber ATX all-terrain tire. So we're on 33s with our highly popular 2-inch Roush Fox coilover system up front, and then it's got Fox 2.0s out back. Very nice with rear wheel well liners to help clean things up. That's a must to me. Now have side markers on your rear fenders as well. An Akins liner guaranteed for life. Go America. This being a Lariat, you got blind spot monitor and other great amenities on this particular package here. Now take a look at a comparison. Next door is our Lariat with the black appearance package. Just want to show you a few subtleties that are different. So you can tell on the Lariat here with the non-black appearance package, this inner part here is chrome. Now on the black appearance package, everything has been blacked out on the inside. You have a nice custom two-tone emblem there from Ford now, and the F-150 embossed in the inlay there. Over here you have your traditional Ford blue, but a nice Roush graphic is what they added out back. Has a nice addition to it as well, just has a great look to it. You can tell just coming down the road, we mean business, this is a Roush vehicle. Two different distinct differences out back there. Now as far as exhaust, with the Lariat black appearance package, you get essentially that trimmer or limited bumper from a few years ago with nice dual exhaust black tips. And on the Roush performance vehicle, you get the Roush dual exhaust system. Sounds amazing, y'all. The 5-liter really just sings there. And this one's on the EcoBoost, so no matter your engine choice, you get the black appearance package, you get that bumper with the dual exhaust out the back. Let me know which one you like better, the side exit or the from the factory with a nice bumper out back. Next, you can tell the offset on the factory forward wheel is super positive and pushed in. We're sticking out, not at all, but with the fender there clearance, we have nice overall coverage on the Roush kit, but also the wheels are wider and the offset is more negative to where it has a better mild to wild scale to me than the stock F-150. A Lariat Sport offering in the two-tone leather on the inside, but added the Roush premium leather package in it as well. Love the pillow tops on the inserts there. It flows nicely with the overall theme. A nice Roush badge on your upper glove box there. On the inside, besides that, you got the Roush pedals down below and Roush floor mats from WeatherTech. Not much has changed in here other than a few additional items like the leather, the pedals, and the badging, but still a phenomenal vehicle inside and out. This does also come equipped with the Roush console vault. It's a great addition to keep things secure. Stock number NKE02360. And notate the difference up front on the now new Lariat black appearance package. This front grille is essentially that same grille that the trimmer has with this little new pocket piece right there, as well as the functional heat extractors up top. We also have heat extractors that are functional added from Roush on the new 2022 Roush F-150, along with this graphic vinyl on the top hood. It gives it a different dimension to it that I really like, as well as that Roush graphic up top there, looking amazing. So Ford's doing a great job of giving more ingenuity in offerings. So is Roush. I love seeing that. It makes us consumers, we're all consumers, the direct benefit of that. The typical side badge, F-150 and Lariat, in lieu of Roush's custom for the 2022 models. I really do like that. And of course, this used to be that gray color. They went to the gloss black on the black appearance package. So I do enjoy what Ford is doing with their package offerings with the black appearance package now. And of course, Roush is killing it with their F-150s. Now, here's another chrome package covert that I showed you earlier that has the tried and true chrome side badge, chrome accents, door handles, front grille, and more. So there's so many variations. Here's that XLT Sport textured grayish side badge and grill up front. So there are so many variations. It's very hard to keep up with the variations. I mean, I study it and I'm relentless on knowing all these things, y'all, but if you're just a normal consumer that's busy with everyday life, you don't know or have the time to. So you watch videos from Real Deal and you come check us out at Willies at Akins, because we can help make the process fast and easy, get you the information and get you going. So that's it for today. Roush F-150 action and everything else auto is right here in Winder, Georgia. So hit that subscribe button, because I got 2 more to shoot today, y'all. You ain't gonna stop Real Deal. We still rolling, y'all. So many more videos to come to you. So hit that subscribe button and hit that like as well. Real Deal out.